Good morning, children. Today we will learn how to write notice writing. At first, we have to know what is a notice. A notice is an announcement which is circulated in the written form to give some important information to a large group of people. You have seen that in our school, whenever something important announcement is to be done, it is come to you through notice. So, what is the purpose of writing a notice? A notice is written to give information about sports event, meeting or conference, a cultural event, any death, birth, visit by someone in future inspection, any project for a social cause to be undertaken, and so on. There may be various reasons of writing notice. Sometime it may be about change in rules and regulations, or it may be announcement of holidays, right? So let us see what are the salient features of notice writing. A notice is written within a box. It is usually written in the third person. However, for some notices, the first person we or the second person you may be used. So, notices are generally written in third person, but in some cases we can use we or you. It must be short, precise, and relevant to the topic. It usually has a word limit of 50 words. The name and address of the issuing authority is placed at the top, followed by the word notice, the date, and the heading. So, when we will start writing notice, at the top we have to place the name and address of the issuing authority. Then we have to write notice. Then we have to put date on the left hand upper corner, and then we have to put the heading, that is the topic of the notice. And then we will start writing notice. The name and designation of the signatory authority should be placed on the lower left hand corner of the notice. So after completing notice, we have to put the name and designation of the signatory authority. The tone of the notice should be objective, important, and formal. So, when we will write a notice writing, we have to keep in mind these things. So, let us see the format of notice writing. You can see that the notice is written in a box, right? As we read in the salient features of notice writing, we have written the name and address of the issuing authority, that is Army Public School, Panagar, is written on the top, and under it the word notice is written. Then in the left hand upper corner we have write the date. Then in the middle we have written the heading, that is the topic of the notice. Then you have to write the content. You have to remember one thing, that the content should be short, precise, and relevant to the topic. And the word limit is 50 words. And the tone should be objective, impartial, and formal. Now, after completing the content, you have to write the name and designation of the signatory authority on the lower left hand corner of the notice. So students, I hope you get a clear idea of the format of notice writing. So let us take a look of a sample notice writing that is provided by me. The question is, you are the secretary of Residents Welfare Association of Deep Housing Society in New Delhi. To mark Diwali celebration, an entertainment program including music, dance and quiz would be organized. Draft a notice inviting names of children who would be interested in participating in these events. So let us see how is it written. You must copy it in your school notebook. Deep Housing Society, New Delhi. This is the name of the issuing authority. Notice 3rd June 2020. Diwali celebration. Diwali celebration is the topic or the heading. The association is planning to organize an entertainment program to mark Diwali celebrations as details given below. Date 28 June 2020. Time 10 am to 6 pm. Venue community lawn. The program will include music, dance, quiz and a food feaster. All those children who are interested in participating can give their names to the undersigned. S. Banik, Sanchita Banik, Secretary, Residents Welfare Association. You can see here I have put my name, but in the question if the name is given, you have to put that name only, and if no name is given there, you can write your name. So children, note it down in your school English notebook. I am also attaching a PDF along with this video link so that it will be convenient for you to copy from there. What you have to do is you have to learn the features. You have to know how to write notice writing. So students, keep on practicing. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.